Disclaimer: the unit is a loaner from Intium Indonesia. Intium Indonesia is a distributor and retailer of iBasso product in Indonesia. They loan the cookie TI, but I will try my best to deliver my honest thoughts on the product as if I bought them myself. Inside the box, there are a bunch of accessories from 4 types of included ear tips, 3 termination from 3.5mm jack to the USB-C termination with CX DAC chip, a stainless steel nozzle, and a faux leather carry case. Unboxing experience is nice, as the overall product is presented nicely inside the box. Perhaps if I nitpick, most of the accessories included are quite generic looking. But I guess for the price, the choices given are quite a lot, and I think it will definitely work with most people. When I first saw this from a friend, I immediately thought of cookie cutters, especially the glossy ones, as cookie cutters tends to have a slight polish to them to make them easier to remove once the cookies are cut. The one loaned is the glossy kind and not the matte kind. I think it is better to go for the matte one instead of the glossy one in case you are like me and you don't like scratches to show prominently on a nicely polished surface over time. But anyways, I like their design with minimum lettering on the IEMs and the choice to go for a color code to mark which one is the right and left side. Fitment depending on your ears can vary. As on my ears, with the default ear tips out of the box, the fitment is on the deeper side, and I would need smaller ear tips to fit them nicer in my ears. On smaller ears, perhaps they can be quite uncomfortable after a certain amount of time, and you would probably need an even smaller ear tips than the ones provided. But as always, rest between listening session is highly advisable. The Cookie TI is actually quite suitable for my current habit of listening warmish jazzy songs and serves a contrast from the previous IEM I reviewed in a local community group. The Cookie TI is a harmonish, warm yet clean sounding IEM. Bass is pretty balanced between punch and rumble. Perhaps it is leaning towards the more punchy or thumpy kind, but there are some notes of bass rumble as well. The experience is pretty much balanced, giving bass on bass guitar and drums some sense of tactility and texturing. Bass speed is fast enough for double pedal on metal or higher energy tracks like Karate from Baby Metal or Avenged Sevenfold Unholy Confessions. On more pop-oriented songs with a lot of bass, the Cookie TI has successfully reproduced the kind of punch and rumble that would excite most people without sacrificing much of the cleaner notes. The bass also complements the lower mid-range response of the Cookie TI, especially on cellos, giving them a sense of warmth and texture. Speaking of which, Cookie's mid-range reproduction is perhaps what I like the most when writing this review, as currently I have been enjoying a lot of jazzy tracks from Lofi and Frank Sinatra. The Cookie sounds lush and rich with a hint of sweetness in lower pitched vocals. While it is on the lusher side, the lower mid-range seems to have a slight dip, creating a nice clean-ish transition from the mid-bass. The upper mid-range is a little bit on the calmer, less energetic side, and combined with that bass response, it works quite well delivering an intimate, cozy, and relaxing experience. Perhaps it won't work as much for metal or rock tracks, as sometimes I feel like the upper mid-range bite might not be enough for me. I seem to also find certain sounds to be slightly muffled at times. Perhaps it is due to the slight dip around the upper mid-range, but it could also be from around the treble area. The treble reminds me of the Touch Gym Nora I reviewed a few months back, and it is technically my current daily driver, as the treble is relaxed with teeny tiny bit of brightness to add some of that clarity to the presentation. The cymbals attack seems to be on the more conservative side with a tiny amount of decay following that attack. Perhaps it won't satisfy those who want an airy or pronounced treble presentation. Combined with the upper mid-range response earlier, I find the cookie enjoyable for a relaxed listening session or using them as a background sound when writing this review. Out of the box, the Cookie TI came with the brass nozzle attached and included are stainless steel nozzles. There is no specific mention of which nozzle does what, and I may or may not have the sharpest memory when it comes to this kind of A/B test where you have to change cable or anything with a single IEM, but I will try my best to describe it. The stainless steel nozzle causes the Cookie TI to have a more forward mid presentation and adds a little bit of that treble clarity, while also reducing some of that bass warmth the brass nozzle brings. This seemed to alleviate that earlier notes of Cookie TI can come out rather muffled at times, and it does add a little bit of perceived separation and wider soundstage to the presentation. I think you could count the Cookie TI as 2 IEM in one, as changing the nozzle changes between presentation quite a lot, altering between what I would call a cozy experience and a clinical and tidy experience. Adding the combination of included ear tips and USB module, I believe you will eventually find what configuration fits best for your preference and use case. Out-of-the-box configuration is perhaps not the best for this type of genre, as I find the upper mid-range slightly lacking in that sense of bite and energy. Combined with the lusher, warmer sound signature of the brass nozzle makes the experience rather clouded. Technicalities are basically just average for the price, as I find layering not particularly mind-blowing, the soundstage to be average, and the detail retrieval to be just okay. But considering the configuration and tuning philosophy, I think it is excusable. Changing the nozzle to the included stainless steel changes the experience with this set. The cleaner, less warm, and slightly energetic sound signature presents a more clinical sound. This also results in the presentation to be perceived slightly more technical with elevated perceived detail and perceived wider sound staging, while the slightly reduced warmth adds a tiny bit of separation or layering. The Cookie TI seems to exhibit less of the dry timbre in vocals and instruments. However, the Prelude is noticeably wider and cleaner in the presentation, sacrificing a little bit of body in vocals and instruments. The Prelude shows more of that resolution and detail when compared to the Cookie TI. The overall sound signature is different and would eventually depend on your own preference at the end of the day. The Cookie TI is a new IEM from iBasso Jr. This IEM came out alongside their new flagship IEM called Epitome. The Cookie TI is a Single Dynamic Driver IEM and it costs around $130 at the time of writing. The unboxing part is stellar with huge amount of accessories included, from a modular cable with 3 terminations, 4 types of ear tips, 3 sizes each, 2 types of nozzle, and a wide carry case. If I would nitpick, the included accessories are not what I expected, but I guess the choices, it gives you what matters the most. As for the sound, the Cookie TI leans towards that Harman sound signature, balanced bass with enough rumble and punch, combined with the clean mid-range and relaxed treble, which will most likely fit most people's preference. The included interchangeable nozzles are great to give the user some choice between a warmer, cozy tuning or a cleaner, clinical tuning. Technicalities are not the best in the market, but I think the combination of good sound timbre and nicely done tuning is a nice trade-off. As for the ratings, I give the Cookie TI an A- for tonality and a B for technicalities. Well, that is it. That is my experience and thoughts with the iBasso Junior's new IEM. Thank you so much Indium Indonesia for the chance to review this IEM early. What do you think of Single Dynamic Driver IEM? Do you like them? What is your favorite Single Dynamic Driver IEM? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.